In the lifestyle, our whole entire world and what we do and the way that it works, and surprise, is built around respect, communication, and consent. You have to start this journey. If you are looking, if you're interested, you have to start the journey into the lifestyle with those three values front of mind. We do not operate from a place of disrespect and coercion. Again, if a person is not enthusiastically on board with participating in the lifestyle, other people are going to know that. Other people are going to be able to pick up on that. And we don't need that energy in the lifestyle. We don't need that energy in our lives. And you need to make a good judgment call. So, again, how do you convince your spouse to swing? You don't. Convince is a huge red flag word for us. I don't like hearing it. I don't like hearing that people had to convince their spouse to do this. Not my jam. Not right.